My name is Jan Tras. I am a researcher in plant biology attached to the Clermont Center. So more specifically, I work at the Lions ENS, in the Plant Reproduction and Development Laboratory. And so currently, I have been with INRA for 24 years. This is a unit with 100 or so people, 7 teams who are working both on a model organism like Arabidopsis and on agriculturally valuable species like corn and roses. We are really attempting to understand flower development on multiple scales, ranging from, I would say, the molecular or genetic scale to the whole plant. When we began working on this issue, modeling techniques did not exist. The idea is to have a mechanical simulation platform that allows us to test various hypotheses regarding, notably, the action of certain genes on development and on development mechanisms. 10 or 15 years ago, we were heavily focused on the genetic program that controlled everything. Now, we focus a lot more on concepts in which, in the end, all the scales matter, where there is feedback from the whole plant, the entire tissue, precisely to molecular regulation. And understanding all of these interactions represents a huge challenge indeed. I realized we really had to open up to other disciplines too. I began contacting physicists, programmers, and it was thanks to these collaborations that we have really been able to develop a truly multidisciplinary project. Since 2006, actually, we've been working together on the role of mechanical signals in plant development. The idea is a bit about seeing how plants that generate forces use these for their development and to control their shape. So one of the major challenges is to get researchers who come from a variety of different backgrounds to work together, which means the experience is enriching. But sometimes it's difficult for everybody to understand each other. There's a lot of discussions before we dive into the actual scientific work. Jan is a pioneer in the area of biology for sure. He's someone who's brought interdisciplinarity to the school in Lyon, particularly for the plant biology laboratory. For me, INRA is first a major research institute. What I really appreciate about INRA is the freedom one has. INRA's strength comes from covering the full spectrum, from fundamental research to applied research. My future plans include, I'd say, 2 major projects. First, I'd really like to continue with the development of models. At the same time, I'd like to move closer to the corporate world.